biggest compliment I've ever been paid in the street? That I've got a nice smile. I quite like that because you think, well, it's about the relationship that you have with total strangers, and it's so nice to be told that it has an effect.
What is it about heels that makes me feel good? Well, I just think you feel pretty sexy and quite powerful, which I think is quite important, you know. You can be wearing the most basic outfit, you chuck on a pair of heels and suddenly you feel transformed, like you can conquer the world.
If I could spend a day in the life of somebody, past or present, it would probably have to be past, and it would be Grace Kelly, because she's very elegant and I'm sure she had the most amazing life.
Biggest compliment I've ever been paid in the street? Well, just generally when anyone compliments us, lovely, isn't it? I don't know. I have to say I get quite a few. No, really.